Hey guys, it's Jessalyn Somerville Payne and welcome to my channel. If you're new here, make sure you click that subscribe button and you click the bell so you can always be notified whenever I upload a video. If you're returning, thank you so much. I can't thank you enough. It means more to me than I could ever put into words. And today's video is just going to be a get ready with me. I woke up in a good mood and I just feel like filming. So it's Wednesday. I'm going to go ahead and film my video for Sunday and let's just get ready. Okay, for primer today, I'm going in with the Dermalogica Hydra Blur Primer. I have not used this yet. It's supposed to blur fine lines and pores, hydrate and brighten for naturally flawless skin. So, I absolutely love Dermalogica products, so let's see. I have no idea what that was. If y'all just heard that noise. Or maybe people shooting fireworks. I mean, it is July 4th. That looks really nice on the skin. Okay. So, if y'all watched my video I uploaded Tuesday night, then y'all know that this foundation is the business. Like, it was amazing. I woke up this morning and I colored my hair and I did it mixing it in a bowl and with a brush instead of doing it with the bottle applicator like I usually do. But anyway, so it was a hot mess. I just colored it back dark brown. I like keeping it this dark color so when it starts fading, I always like to touch it back up. And if you're wondering what color it is, I always go in with, or not the foundation, but my hair, I always use 4N. I mean, once again, can y'all just see this coverage? And it's so lightweight feeling. And it's just so easy to blend out. Like it moves like I want it to, you know? And when I did wear it last time, I didn't get to do, well, that was yesterday. I didn't get to wear it very long. I wore it for a couple of hours and it wore so good. So today, I'm going to do a wear test. So I'm going to check in later and let y'all know how it's wearing. And, like I'm just having to add a little bit, like one pump pretty much covered the whole face almost. But anyways, let y'all know how it wears, let y'all know how it stands up in this South Arkansas heat and humidity. I love it. It looks so beautiful, y'all. So beautiful. For concealer, I'm going in with my Maybelline Fit Me in shade 5. Let's see, I need my glasses. It's 5 Ivory. And I'm using this to highlight, prime my lids, all that good stuff. So, I hope everybody's having a good 4th of July. I woke up at like 9 something, colored my hair. My husband slept like almost 1, but he needed it. He works so hard. I'm so proud of him. My oldest is at her dad's. My aunt wanted to keep our youngest. So, weird being without her. We're trying to hurry and get ready and go get her. We don't like being away from our kiddos. And I have noticed with both concealers that I've used on top of this foundation, they blended out amazing. So that's pretty cool. Okay, to set everything, I'm going in with my Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I hope I'm saying that right. If I'm not, oh well, y'all know what I mean. Oh, it's got all over me. I'm trying to love these brushes, y'all, because they're so cute, but oh, they don't pick up product very well. If you saw my first TJ Maxx haul, these are the Juicy Couture brushes I found there. They're so cute, but I gotta switch. You can always count on Real Techniques. I love their brushes. Anyways, after we go pick up our daughter, we're gonna go to the nursing home. My mom's friend's in there. She had a stroke a couple of years ago and oh, they didn't think she would make it and she did, and it's just, she's amazing. I love her so much and her family is amazing. I haven't went to see her since my husband's accident last year, I've just become so like just antisocial, but I've got to go see them. I miss them. Alright, to bronze, I'm going in with my CoverGirl True Blend Bronzer. I'm just going to lightly put this all over. I can't believe it's already July. Felt like when I was younger, like, time just went so slow. And now that I'm a mom, like, it just flies by and I hate it. Like, I keep thinking about our youngest being 9 months old and I'm like, she should still be like 3 months. My oldest is fixing to be 7. Alright, now to contour. I'm going to go back in with the Galaxy palette from Gourmand Girls because I really liked that shade that I ended up using for contour. And it's really dark on me, so I have to lightly go in. But it gives a very nice, like, cool tone, chiseled look. I love it. Like, you barely have to go into it. And I do have a code with Gourmand Girls. If y'all want to use it, it's 15% off. Code Jessie. I don't make anything off of it. It's just for y'all's benefit. Alright. For blush, I'm going in with my Amazonian Clay blush. And I'm going in with the color Concept. I wish I could find some more of these brushes. They're so cute. Or it's so cute. I only have one. I got it from TJ Maxx forever ago. I don't even know what the brand is, but it's so cute. Okay, for a highlight, I'm going in this Sleek highlight palette. And I'm going with that shade right there. Today, I'm going in with my BoxyCharm palette from Purr. And I absolutely love this palette. We're going to start out going in Perfect. And just putting that all over the lid. I think this is about the only brush from that set that I actually like. From the Juicy Couture set. It works pretty decent. Alright, I'm going to take a blending brush and I'm going to go in with Belle. Which is that shade right there. And I'm just going to put that in the crease. So, with it being 4th of July and my husband being off, like I keep wanting to think it's the weekend. Like I keep stopping myself from asking y'all what y'all's plans are this weekend. Because it's still 3 days away. No, 2 days. Today's Wednesday. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Nike. Which is that shade right there. Now I'm going to throw that in the crease as well. So far, anything from Purr, like I've always, and I don't even know if that's how you say it, but I've always really enjoyed anything I've gotten from them from BoxyCharm. Okay, I want to go in with a BFF very lightly on the outer corner. And just build it up. Ever since my video on the Take Me Back to Brazil palette, I'm really trying to open up a palette and go for a color, colors in there instead of just staying with, like neutral type colors. And I'm having a lot of fun doing it. Kind of packing it down there and then kind of blending out above. Because I want it to be a nice color on the bottom part and then just good and blended. And this brush is pretty fluffy. It's not very dense, so if you're trying to build up color, you don't want to go in with a, super dense brush. Alright, gonna go in with another brush and just kind of blend that out some so there's no product on it. I do want to go in very lightly with Duet and just kind of deepen it up just a little bit. But I don't want to add much, just a little bit, because I don't want to take away from that color. Alright, now I'm going to go in with Charmed. And I'm going to put that on my lid. I'm going to wet my brush a little bit with my MAC Prep and Prime spray. That's how I like it. Alright, Alright, now I'm just going to take that fluffy brush and just blend that on top. A little bit right there so it comes together nice. Alright, I'm going to go back into that highlight palette and I'm going to take that shade right there and highlight my brow bone. Alright, I'm just going to blend that. Alright, for eyeliner, I'm going in with my It Cosmetics No Tug gel eyeliner, and I'm going in with black, and I love this stuff. I'm going to do my eyebrows off camera real quick, and I'm just going to use my L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer in light brunette. And I will be right back. Okay, I'm back. And I love that brow pencil, y'all. It's awesome. For mascara today, I'm going in with my It Cosmetics Superhero, and I just have the sample size. So that added a lot of length. Wow. How you doing? Okay, so this mascara is what's up, because it just added a lot of length to my lashes and they look pretty. Okay. I'm digging it. Okay, for my lips, I'm going in with my Kat Von D liquid lipstick in, I can't even, Ophelia, whatever it is. It's pretty. Now, to set everything, I'm going in with my MAC Hurry Up and Prime. Alright, this is the final look, and I'm very happy with how it turned out. This foundation, once again, is setting so good on my skin. Wow. Like, I hope y'all all, I just can't stop, y'all. Sorry. I'm just loving this foundation. I will put Gourmand Girl's link in the description box. I will also link everything else that I used. Yes, I say a lot. I can't help it. Okay, so I finished my makeup earlier around 3:30 and it is now 7:30. Let me just start off by saying that, like I have mentioned before, I live in South Arkansas and it gets so hot, so humid down here. And I was outside in the heat for a good bit today and this is what my makeup looks like now. I think it still looks beautiful. Like, obviously it's not going to be as perfect as it was earlier. It's not breaking up. It's not looking patchy. It looks beautiful still. I'm so impressed. I really love this foundation. So if a foundation can stand this South Arkansas heat and humidity, it gets 2 thumbs up in my book. Alright, and that's it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope you subscribe to my channel if you're not already. Click the bell. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment down below. Let me know what you think. And I'll see you in my next video. Toodles!